Here comes the tutorial for a cute Christmas wreath coaster. I added some small objects for decoration. The overall crochet is simple and clear. Let's learn it together with the tutorial. Use 4 strands of yarn and a 3.5 crochet hook. Start in a ring. We crochet with 2 strands. Hook chain 1 stitch. Okay, then make 2 standing stitches. This is the standing stitch for double crochet stitches. Hook the needle through the loop. Pass the thread through and back out 2 stitches. Okay, this is a double crochet stitch. Make a mark at the first double crochet stitch, button. The first round. We need to crochet 15 double crochet stitches in total. After hooking, tighten the thread. We'll use the stitch in the stitch where the button is. In this way, the first round is completely finished. Okay, let's start the second round. We make 2 slip stitches as the standing stitches and hook double crochet stitches. No repeated explanation. Hook needle around thread and insert the hook into the stitch just pulled and hook to double crochet stitches, which is an increase in double crochet stitches. We crochet 15 groups. The third round, chain 2 stitches and we'll start with a double crochet stitch. In the second stitch, hook a double crochet stitch increase. 2 stitches in 1 group. We'll make 15 groups. On the 4th round, we change to green thread. Insert the hook into the stitch just pulled up. Bring the thread over. Chain 2 stitches. We crochet a double crochet stitch. Then enter the needle in the second stitch. Bring the thread through and make a double crochet stitch increase. Then enter the needle in the third stitch and hook a double crochet stitch. In this way, these 3 stitches form a group. We crochet 15 groups. On the 5th round, we only need to chain 1 stitch. Then crochet a row of single crochet stitches. Then you can cut the thread. Next, we crochet its feet. Start with a chain stitch and make 5 chain stitches. Then insert the hook into the second to last stitch and crochet an extra single crochet, which means in the same stitch, hook to single crochet stitches. Then hook to single crochet stitches. In the last stitch, we crochet 3 single crochet stitches. Okay, let's crochet. There are 3 stitches left on this side. We hook 3 single crochet stitches in turn. After hooking, we find the first single crochet stitch here. We'll do a slip stitch. This way, the first round is completed. Next, we crochet. First, we crochet 1 single crochet stitch increase. Then crochet 2 single crochet stitches. Then crochet 3 groups of single crochet stitch increases. Then crochet 2 single crochet stitches. In the last stitch, we crochet an increase. Then connect to the first stitch. We have completed the second round. The third round is unchanged, and crochet 16 single crochet stitches. Finish this round by yourself. Single crochet in every 5 stitches. We'll crochet 5 single crochet stitches first. Next, we start to crochet 4 groups of decrease. First, hook the first group. Pick up the front loop only of 2 stitches. 1 decrease. 2 stitches. 3. 4, and finally there are 3 single crochet stitches left. Finish them one by one. Then connect the first stitch. Okay, the 5th round is to crochet 3 single crochet stitches, 1 single crochet stitch. There is no special stitch. If you need explanation, you can finish the remaining rows. You can finish them by yourself. Note that we need to stuff some cotton into our feet. Change thread to hook bow. Bring the thread through and chain 1 stitch. Start 3 chain stitches. Then hook the stitch. Twice around the hook. Insert the hook into the loop. Bring the thread over and back to stitches. To make a double crochet stitch, we need to crochet it 4 times. Okay, then chain 4 stitches. Pull up loop. After pulling up, we stand up 8 chain stitches. Okay, then we work the 4th stitch from the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hook a double crochet stitch. Then a half double crochet stitch. Then 3 single crochet stitches. After hooking, pull the thread through the loop. Then continue to stand up 8 chain stitches. Repeat this pattern. After 2 groups, we stand up for chain stitches and crochet 4 double crochet stitches. Then chain 4 stitches. Pull up in the loop. Cut the thread. Then tighten the loop. In this way, the small bow is completed. Assemble the finished accessories. We assemble them, and the coaster is done.